1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic salt, 1 tablespoon of onion salt, half tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of meat seasoning, 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning. One tablespoon of baking soda, and our flour, we use the same amount of seasoning that we used on the chicken and the same seasoning to season our flour, so now we have a breading. Now we're gonna add our chicken to our breading. Now that everything is nicely coated, we are going to be adding our carbonated water. And the carbonated water and the baking soda is going to give you a reaction. Now we're going to put them back into our flour. So here we have some oil in the pot with some thyme, and we're going to add some garlic as well. So we added our garlic, 4 cloves, and then we're going to add our chicken. You want to fry them until they're nice and golden, and then you're going to turn them on the other side and have them fried nice and golden. And we're going to do that for the other set as well. So you're going to remove your chicken from the oil when they're nice and crispy, and then we're going to add the second batch. So we added our second batch. Now we're going to prepare our sauce. For our sauce, we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of brown cane sugar, 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, some water, and 2 tablespoons of ketchup.